Hey everyone, it's Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I am standing in front of a brand new 2020 Chevy Blazer RS. Now this all-wheel drive vehicle comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, your black Chevy bow ties, back tinted windows, and 20-inch dark Android machine face aluminum wheels. Now when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our premium Bose speaker system, all-weather floor mats, jet black leather seating with a red lining, a full moonroof, and then when it comes to the front, we have our brand new Chevy MyLink radio, cooling and heated seating, your auto stop start engine, push to talk, a heated steering wheel, front collision alert, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.